Hi, it's Neil. Welcome to my office. And today I have a bicycle phone holder. So if you know me, you know I like to ride my bike. And I also have a scooter that I like to ride. I have a few different bikes and a few different, things that I like to do. And so I got this holder on it. So I have one on one of my bikes, and so this is for the other bike. And I figured I'd try a different kind because I can never find one that's just perfect. So let's see how this one works. It's by, looks like VOP, or VUP. VUP. So that's it. It's a 360 rotating universal for different size phones and for different handlebars. It looks like it'll work on bicycles, motorcycles, baby carriages, and scooters. So I've got a few different ones that I can use it for. So let's check it out. When it came in the box, it was open. So hopefully it's got all the pieces in it. We'll see in a minute here. It's actually open from the bottom. So hopefully it's okay. It looks like this is the whole apparatus here, so I think we're okay. And then here we have the instructions for it. So right there kind of explains what to do. I mean, it seems pretty self-explanatory to me. I don't know if I'll do anything wrong, but I'm gonna try it without really reading those, so you guys have seen the instructions as much as I have at this point. So this is how it works. You can kind of see. Oh! I should have read the instructions. No, but so you put this around the handlebar, right? There we go. I actually have these types of screw thingies for my camera for the plug. What's it called? For the power plug. So it kind of just goes on there, and as you screw it in, it tightens up. So you just keep screwing and tightening and blah, 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 blah. And then this holds the phone. So that's kind of cool. So let's see, I have I think it's an iPhone 10 here. So let's see how it works. So we just put it in around there. This is interesting. And then the same thing on the bottom. Well, yeah, I mean, I totally feel comfortable that this is totally gonna hold. If you look at it, it's like strapped around and it's kind of bungeed on there like a rubber band. So it's not going anywhere. I mean, yeah, it's gonna stay safe. The one thing I would say is, how am I gonna, I guess I don't know, am I able to slide to open it? Let's see if I can open it. Yeah, I guess it still lets me slide to open. It's good because this thing here is bouncy enough that it goes down so you can get your finger in there and stuff. I mean, if it's up all the way, it's hard to read the time in the corner. Oops, I don't want to FaceTime. But you can kind of see how it is up in the corners. It's a little hard to see the battery and time, but it's actually okay, not too bad. I'm guessing, let me see how the camera would work. Swipe up to open. I don't want FaceTime. How do you, camera. So let's see. So let's see what happens when I go to selfie camera. Yeah, selfie camera, it's in the way of the selfie camera right now. Oops, I turned it off by mistake. It's in the way of the selfie camera, so you kind of have to move it out of the way somehow. So, I mean, I don't know, when I'm riding my bike, I don't really take selfies of myself. But if you were to take selfies of yourself, you would just get basically a picture of the little rubber band. I mean, I'm still gonna give it a thumbs up because the reason I'm getting this is to ride on my bike. I'm not gonna be sitting there riding on my bike, playing my music, talking on the phone, and video chatting. So if you video chat, don't get this one. But if you video chat while you're riding your bike, then this is not the one for you. But for the price and everything like that, it was pretty good mount, and it really holds the phone in there good. I mean, I'm whipping it around here more than I ever would riding my bike. I could go over some pretty heavy bumps. And one good thing about it too is it's like got the rubber on it. So even if you go over bumps, it just bounces a little bit. So it's not gonna do anything too bad. And also what I saw is it has the ability to turn. So if you like to go that way as you're riding to kind of, I guess you could watch a video or something. If you were putting on a stroller, that would be good. You could put it on a stroller and put it on like that, and the kid could watch a video without it going anywhere. So for that, I would say freaking 10 thumbs up because you're gonna keep a kid busy. So if you're mounting it to that, it would be perfect. But if you want it for your bike to go sideways, sometimes you have your cadence and different settings and stuff like that on the app. So it's gonna work good for that. So I like this one. So I'm giving this a thumbs up. I'm gonna put a link to it in the description so you guys can pick one up for yourselves. And be sure and subscribe to my channel and like this video. And I like this, so thumbs up from me. It's good. It's got a lot of uses, but if you wanted me to take selfie pictures while you're riding your bike, not gonna work for that. But what I like about it is it's got the bungee on it, and you can just take off your phone in an instant. It just comes off, and to put it back on again, it's super fast. None of the other mounts I have go on and off that easily, because for bike ones, they usually have the clips and the bung, this and that. So it's got a whole lot of process going on. This one here, very little process to put it on. So for that, it's gonna be the easiest one to put my phone on, and the easiest one to take off of. So for that reason alone, I'll probably be using this one most. So I like it, so thumbs up for me. And links in the description, subscribe and like. Thanks, bye.